Hello, it's time to work on some more spelling words this week. So as you know, we will take a spelling test every Thursday. Your spelling test will look like this. And so you'll be given 10 words that you need to mark. However, we've been practicing them. Right now, we've just been marking short vowels, so that's all you'll be asked to mark on your spelling test this week. But you will also mark some heart words, and you can see here on my spelling test that I don't have the sound they make above. I always try to let you know what sound they make, but all you're required to do on the spelling test is just put the heart on it. So just put the heart on the part of the word that doesn't follow the correct sound. Then there'll be 2 sentences that you need to write below. You're going to get points for capitals, periods, nice handwriting, and also bonus points. You'll have some ABC order and a nonsense word that you'll have to spell and mark. If you just spell it without marking it, you won't get the bonus points. So this is kind of our goal of what we are trying to get to at the end of every week. And so on Mondays, we're going to focus just on our heart words, our words that we've been practicing in class that have mostly the right sounds, but then some unusual sounds. Okay, so this week's heart words are the words from, what, were, one, and word. These are all words that we've talked about during Reading Horizons, and they're also all words that are on our sound wall back by the horseshoe table. And so the first word that we're going to work on this week is from. From should really be read, if you sounded it out correctly, as from, or from. But because that O, instead of making an ah sound, says it's from. So FR says fur, M says The only part that's really breaking the rule is the O. So if you'll pause the video and write on your sheet of paper 5 times, write the word from, putting a heart around the O. Go ahead and pause the video and do that now. Okay, our next heart word this week is what. What should be pronounced as at, wat. But it is not pronounced wat because this A makes a sound. And so it's wa, just like WH should sound when you sound it out, wa, t. So the WHT are just sounded out like normal. The only difference is the A, and it doesn't say it says So go ahead and pause the video and write what down 5 times, putting a heart around the A. Sorry, my dogs are barking during our video. They like to bark at night, and it's nighttime now when I'm recording this video. Okay, so if you haven't hit pause yet, hit pause and write down what 5 times. Now let's talk about the word were. Were is kind of an unusual word because it does make the sound of ER, which is the sound, but it has this E here. And whenever we have an E after the consonant, it tells this E to say its name. So it should be wa-ear, weir. And so that's not right. The word is were. So we heart the ER because this E doesn't say, make that E say its name. So this ER says So, and I even think you could even heart all 3 of these together because this E should make that E say E. But if you just heart, you can heart the ER or the ERE and get your points on your spelling test on Thursday. So I want you to write this word down 5 times, putting the heart around the ER or around the ERE, and pause the video while you do that. Okay, our next word is one. There's 2 kinds of one. One is a homophone because there's one like the number 1, and there's one like I won the game. The one with the O-N-E is the number one. So I have one class, or I have one shirt. It's the number one. And this one is a rule breaker because this E should make that O say O. So it should be own if we sounded it out with our phonics rules. But it doesn't say own, so it says one. And so that's the sound, one. And then the next one, oh, go ahead and hit pause first. Hit pause and write the word one, putting the heart around the O 5 times on your paper, and then hit play once you get that written down. Okay, our last word is word. So our last spelling word is word, and this OR usually says or. Whenever they're together, it should be or. But if we sounded that out with or, it would be wa, or, d, ward. And that's not how you spell word. Word actually has an OR, but this sound is an ER, so it's wa, d. So we put a heart around the O and the R because that is the part that doesn't sound the way that it should if we spelled it phonetically. Go ahead and write that one down 5 times. Okay, now that you've wrote all your words down 5 times, go ahead and look at them. Try and remember what you've hearted, how those words are pronounced, because these will be on your spelling test on Friday or Thursday, and you will get 1 point for spelling it correctly and 1 point for putting the heart in the correct place on your spelling test. Okay, good luck with your spelling this week.